Utilizing PT upgrade is one way of achieving some results of identifying query execution time, query row counts, and query checksum. How does it achieve this? Basically, you have some options to set up this tool, running the slow query log and running the PT upgrade tool by capturing the writer handle, reader handle, master reader handle, and reporting reader handle outputs. And then you can analyze these data to verify you're not going to be losing any features or having issues with your query timings at your new version. The high-level plan for PT upgrade would be setting up 2 slaves from the same hardware on the MySQL 8 version. Capture the slow queries by setting the long query time to 0. Detach those replicas and then run query digest against them, capturing the log and then running the PT upgrade against those logs with repeating the warm buffer pool on them, and then you review and analyze the results. This is the high-level plan for PT upgrade steps. In detail, you can see the syntax over sampling ratio and in outputting the slow query log from the samples. You can change these parameters at your system to have different results and then run the PT upgrade to get the results and analyze these data. On the read-write, you would actually set different flags for this and run the example ratio and the flags for the PT upgrade tool to against your slow query log that you captured while your analysis. In summary, capturing queries for 1 or 2 hours in the peak hours may be sufficient to do that while setting the long query time to 0 and log slow rate limit to 1. This will capture all the queries that are coming to the database. That may be also intrusive to your I/O subsystem, so you have to be careful on limiting the activity. Prepare the file for upgrade testing and running the PT query digest, and then stopping replication on both servers at the same time, and the replication will remain stopped for the duration of PT upgrade testing. This way the replication is not impacting the PT upgrade testing, and then run the PT upgrade read-only with save results option to capture the data.